Chiliz value equivalent to $0.370 a coin. The present exchange cost range $1.3 to $22.372. The earlier day close $339. The change was plus 3.1, plus 232%. Opposite rate, BUS to CHZ. Dollar to Chilliz estimate for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 667 coins. Exorbitant cost 667, while low 556. The found the middle value of cost 193. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 882, change for June 11.8%. US to CHZ expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 882 coins. Excessive cost 882, while low 762. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 382. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 5,000 change for July 15%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for August 2024. In the first place cost at 5,000 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,000, while low 167. The found the middle value of cost 678. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 45, change for August 1%. US to CHZ expectation for September 2024. In the first place cost at 45 coins. Exorbitant cost 45, while low 846. The found the middle value of cost 276. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 167, change for September 3%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for October 2024. Initially costed 167 coins. Excessive cost 348, while low 704. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 455. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 4,000 change for October 4%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2024. Initially costed 4,000 coins. Exorbitant cost 167, while low 571. They found the middle value of cost 3896. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 346, change for November 39%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for December 2024. To start with cost at 346 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,000, while low 448. They found the middle value of cost 3750. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3704, change for December 37%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 3704 coins. Exorbitant cost 3846, while low 333. They found the middle value of cost 3614. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3571, change for January 36%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 371 coins. Exorbitant cost 3704, while low 3226. They found the middle value of cost 3487. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 34548, change for February 34%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 3448 coins. Exorbitant cost 3571, while low 3125. They found the middle value of cost 3369. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3333, change for spring 33%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at 3333 coins. Exorbitant cost 3448, while low 3030. They found the middle value of cost 3259. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3226, change for April 32%. US to CHZ expectation for May 2025. Before all else cost at 3226 coins. Excessive cost 34048, while low 3030. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3233. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3226, change for May's 9%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for June 2025. To start with cost at 3226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3226, while low 2564. They found the middle value of cost 2849. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2778, change for June 13.9%. US to CHZ expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 2778 coins. exorbitant cost 2.41, while low 2.500. They found the middle value of cost 2.731. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2.703, change for July 2.7%. Dollar to Chilliz figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 2.703 coins. Excessive cost 3.448, while low 2.703. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.020. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3.226, change for August 19.3%. US to CHZ expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 3.226 coins. Excessive cost 3.704, while low 3.226. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.401. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3.448, change for September 6.9%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for October 2025. Before all else cost at 3.4048 coins. Excessive cost 3.4048, while low 3.030. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.288. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3.226, change for October 6.4%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 3.226 coins. Excessive cost 3.226, while low 2.564. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.849. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2.778, change for November 13.9%. Dollar to Chilliz figure for December 2025. Before all else cost at 2.778 coins. Excessive cost 2.778, while low 2.222. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.540. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2.81, change for December 14.3%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 2.381 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.30, while low 2.381. They found the middle value of cost 2.662. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2.857, change for January 20%. Dollar to Chilliz figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 2.857 coins. Excessive cost 3.704, while low 2.857. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.217. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3.4848, change for February 27%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 3.4848 coins. Excessive cost 4.5045, while low 3.448. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.02. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 4.167, change for spring 29%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for April 2026. Before all else cost at 4.1